VW Passat. The battery when dead have this kind of key, and all doors are locked. Cannot lock or unlock any doors. As you can see, there is no key slot right here, and this is what you have. So I don't want a Slim Jim. I don't want to do anything other than I want to open it within this key right here. So let me show you how you open it. So this is your key. There's a small button right here, as you can see it. Just push it with the finger. Here is the mechanical key. This is a cover right here. The key slot is under this. There is a small opening underneath here. You can see the key goes in it. So you just push this up a little bit and try to pry this out. As you can see, this comes off right here, and this is the key slot. Go in here, turn it, and open the door. All right. So this is the slot right here, and this is the key. You push that little button right here to take this cover off, and you have access to the inside of the vehicle. So this way you can replace or recharge your battery, and you call it a day. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.